month is coming. September bird, 8 bird, 9 bird, 10 bird. You know, it's the last. Because I know the last time I tried to turn it on, it had a intake backfire.
Backfire too.
And then after that, I just said, I can't. I don't know. I can't fix it. So I just.
No, this crank, I bet you it's gone. You know the crankshaft?
Oh no, the crankshaft looks good.
Clean?
Yeah, very clean.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, a little bit of like.
Yeah, but how the old bearings are?
The rod bearings had a little scratches in it.
Yeah. Well, what happened? You know the crank. Sometimes you don't have a grind or nothing, but it's out of round.
Oh, so it's not
the knocking. You know, the knocking makes it out of round. And no matter what you do, that thing is gone.
Man, that's so nasty, dude. Look at that.
But this is bad. That's really bad.
So it needs a new engine, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Wow. Well, I guess we made the right decision. Yeah. Shoot. Wow. Well.
Yep.
At least we get see a little bit more progress. Yeah, because Ruben was supposed to call us and let us know, you know, what you know.
Oh, he did it.
Because we wanted to, like, you know, come and take pictures of the progress and then.
So I'm gonna pull this out and just wait for the engine. Probably this end of this week or next one. This is really hard to find an engine.
Yeah, that's what Ruben said. It took him like a couple months to find one.
4.3, they don't rebuild it no more. You know, most of the time they don't. And this kind of S10 Blazer, not too many around.
Yeah, it's hard to find the 4.3. I saw one in the junkyard before the COVID happened, and then I went back and it was already gone.
It's
so
gone,
yeah. Wow.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, it's progress, so that's good.
Okay.
Well, thanks for showing us this, because that's a
terrible.
complete and terrible mess.
Yeah, what I'm gonna have to do, you know, send all the parts to hot tank it. I can put this thing, you know, I'm gonna the oil pan and the.
Oh, the oil pan needs a new plug.
Okay.
Because the plug's no good.
All right. I'm gonna check.
Because it needed like quadruple oversized. It had the right oil plug on it, right? And I accidentally threw it away. And then when I went to go try to replace the oil plug, can't find it.
Can't find it. Yeah.
Because it's quadruple, so we might need a whole new
I'm gonna
pan.
find out if we can get in a new pan. Yeah.
Yeah, because the pan is 4x4 pan. It has a big dip. Yeah. Big bump. Yeah. Because I cleaned all the oil filter, everything, and the housing's all clean, but this part's man.
I'm gonna check this closest. See if they don't leak before.
Oh no, everything was good. It was no leaking or anything.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, just the only problem was that it smoked really bad. Now we know why it was smoking so bad.
You think that's the
story of my life? Yeah, probably. Yeah, new private team picking up uniforms. I'll remark. Gonna